Alright guys, I'm back with another YouTube video. Let's see. We got my payout being requested. I should see that later this week. My dashboard for last week. Pretty much how last week went. This week, we're actually gonna see a difference. We're gonna see something good this week. Trust me on that. It's currently what I'm in. Buy for gold and sells. The buy in for gold. Really not interested in. Until this clears all this, I'll maybe start buying it again, but I'm really not interested because I was just in all of this last week and I should have stopped trading that pair, which I did, and I had a US 30 tail list, and here I am with US 30. Selling NASDAQ as we speak, only because last week it bounced off of this, so I'm going for that same thing. If I get stopped out and it retests down here, retest this trend line, then I'll buy it up. Other than that, that's that. There's some selling. I was in the position earlier right here, but I closed it out because some bullshit. Reopen position back. Look forward to get down here. And yeah, that's about it. It's just these three pairs that I'm in right now. And top tip, Tradezilla. I really just marked. I just notate. Like, honestly, last week was shitty for me. I would only say last week was shitty, only because. Okay, let's do this. 11 trades, 5K loss. 14 trades, only made 2K. Don't get me wrong, yeah, that's risk management, but I'll be honest, what was happening, it was me trading at work and entering and exiting positions, and even like me having lack of sleep. So last week it was okay, but it was a bad week on how I executed. I poorly executed, and I could have did better. And I could have just took 5K days, because I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. Like right now, it's not like I got like 5K, 10K sitting in the bank account. Even this 8K right here. It's not even like that 30K I made like on a couple videos back. I got that sitting in my account. So this week the focus is, of course, still trying to make that 15K, but I'm just gonna work on building myself up, honestly. Building myself up, building the capital, so I'm not over here sitting here stressing, worrying my emotions about trading, because honestly, it all just comes back to, like I said, my main problems are psychology almost and greed, but I'm ready to nip that in the bud, because last week pissed me off, and even this dumb shit that just happened right now is actually annoying. So either my trades hit or they don't hit. I have an exit strategy or a take profit strategy, but I'm up at least like 5K for the day. I might just close depending how it's going, but I'm not sitting here trying to continue the bullshit that happened last week. That genuinely irritated me and pissed me off. But losing is part of the game, so losing only makes me better. Like every time I lose, I review, I learn my lessons, and then reviewing and learning kind of irritates me, just annoy me slightly. But we're a work in progress here. Like I said, it's still in January, but I'm still coming at this at the same momentum. I'm still going hard at the end of the day. So yeah, at least let me explain why I took this trade. I got in, I was gonna buy it up. I recorded the video and everything. I could post it, but I was just like, let me just record the live market video. So I was in this for the buy originally because I thought I was gonna break above here. This sits mid-level. It loves this area, which you see it cleanly rejected from. It rejected from there. Me and Damon want to break back into consolidation, so that made this retest valid of this whole consolidation. All of this that happened right here. That rejection made it valid. So I just decided to close to buy, and then I sold, and now I'm selling it to down here. Yes, do I think it'll get further? Of course, but we'll see that once we actually, get my live account and actually start pushing it. Like, I would rather take it all the way down here, but we're gonna go. We can right now get that for the live account. Go this buy. So far it's rejecting and it's been bullish this whole time anyways. And if we go down to 4 hour right here, we'll validate this buy, which is what I was waiting for. I was really gonna wait for it later. But also I could have waited for this candle close, which most would, but I just executed. I could get better on entries later per se, or while we're working our way up. But you see right here, this rejection, it's not the cleanest double bottom, but I called it a double bottom for me to execute on the trade, even on the 4 hour, especially with that candle closure right there. So that's what made me execute on this, buying it all the way up to here. Then NASDAQ, like you guys already know, it rejected off the trend line 4 times. Like I had this trend line from here, and it rejected even though I thought I was gonna push up. So I'm looking for the same thing to happen. I'm looking for a rinse and repeat, because the markets do make patterns at the end of the day. If it doesn't and it's buying up, oh well, I lost, and I'll be waiting for the retest above on this trend line for me to start buying up. But until then, these are the 3 trades I'm in. These are the trades I'm taking. I'm waiting for the payout to go through on my 25K account. Once I could actually, let me see. I'm waiting for the payout to actually go through and leave my account for the 25K account, so I can actually start trading on there. But same thing, we're just gonna be working on the 300K account, getting the capital up, and actually getting funded this week on this account. So yeah, I feel like a lot of what happened last week was mainly just market setup, especially for GU. You know, I love to trade GU. You guys see me on this channel trading GU. Probably when GU breaks above this and gives me a retest, it's probably when I'll enter, which will probably be like on a Tuesday. So we'll come back then and see. But other than that, I'm fairly nice. This is like pure shit. Like I'm gonna keep it a buck. EU probably looks better. Yeah, EU just looks like GU. So yeah, I'm not interested in trading those pairs. Those pairs look like fucking shit to me. So until then, it's just UJ, NAS, and gold. Those are the 3 solid pairs trading this week. US 30 will get traded probably later in the week. I have to see how it's going for a trend. It looks like it's bullish, honestly, from last week when I traded it. You guys didn't know, but what made me execute on this trade, executed on this right here. This was its support, resistance to me. But this was the main level of support. Resisted, it didn't break through, and it decided to push up, and I sold it right here. I made like 5K off that. So now we're just looking. I'm looking if it's gonna sustain this, or it's gonna retest this that it just broke above up here, and continue going up, or if it's gonna drop. So I'm gonna wait a little bit on US 30 if I want to trade it. But those are probably going to be the only pairs I trade. These 4 pairs. I'm not touching UJ or AU until I get some clear-cut buys, which it looks like we'll get soon. Like I said, if it breaks above here and gives me the retest on GU, then I'll start trading it. But until then, it's UJ, NAS, and gold. And NAS is the swing trade of the pair, really. I could have took it to like right here or some shit, or even right here, sort of 2.3. Which, who knows, I might, but I'm pretty sure I'll probably be in enough floating profit just to close all 3 trades out to actually get my 15K for this account. So we'll just see how it goes. And then NAS also, we're not really going to see no clear-cut buys until the stock market obviously opens. It's a stock pair. This is a forex pair. So yeah, these are the trades I'm in. And I'll update, shit. Speaking too fast, guys. I'll update you guys later this week, but I'm going to post this video right now so that you guys can see. These are the trades I'm going to stick to. I'm holding myself accountable to that. Yeah, I'm going to get stopped though. I'm going to come back with a video saying the reason exited trades where I didn't think it was going my way. But after last week, I'm kind of tired of that. So yeah, see you guys on the next one.